Hi, I'm John LaRue and I'm here to talk once again about tsunami mitigation. When you see a wave, you can estimate the amount of energy it contains by looking at the amount of water that's displaced. Here I estimate 5 cubic meters per linear meter. These waves, not so much. When you look at a wave in the ocean, it's easy to see that it's merely energy pushing through the water. You can see the water go up and down, but a turtle or a surfer sitting waiting for a wave, or a bubble sitting on the surface, will stay put as the wave goes by. Waves travel quite efficiently until they're about to die. Mother Nature brings an end to these waves by sending a little bit of water over the top, which brings air into the base. The air gets churned around quite a bit, spreads, and the energy of the wave is lost for good. The wave is virtually always destroyed that way. Since Mother Nature has such a nice way of stopping waves, I thought I'd write a book on it. It's called Wave Goodbye, Simple Tsunami Mitigation, and it talks about releasing air in the water ahead of a tsunami wave or storm surge to mitigate a disaster. Here's a view of some average waves. Notice how the break drops water and air into space ahead of the wave. If a cubic centimeter bubble gets dropped into the wave and gets pushed forward 2 meters before reaching the surface, it will have mitigated 200 cubic centimeters of wave energy. A liter of air can mitigate 200,000 cubic centimeters of wave energy. I propose we release hundreds of cubic meters of compressed air at the ocean floor ahead of a tsunami or storm surge. Every meter of ocean between an earthquake and the shore is a good candidate for mitigation with air. Enough air released ahead of a wave can change a shore that was lined up for a deadly tsunami into something like this tranquil day we spent off Waikiki in our 6-man canoe. The thing I like about my method is you don't have to build a permanent structure to save lives and property. 1 hour of aeration should do the trick. This wave on Sandy Beach could have been weakened with some air in the water, while this tsunami could have been prevented with a lot of air in dozens of locations. What I've shared today isn't the whole book, but it's most of it. If you have any thoughts on this technique, send an email, or if you know any experts on tsunamis, have them tell me why I'm all wet to think coastal cities can remain dry.